You here?
Hi, Lily.
But if she pull really hard. Are you okay with that? She pull.
My brother pulled really hard.
Oh, okay. As long as you're okay with it. Good.
Hi. No.
Who won? Who won the race? The tortoise or the hare?
The bunny fast and to the floor and the bunny dog he walking very slow and he kept trying and he ran.
She's headbutting you.
Nani, Nana.
Why didn't you guys just call? I know, but then I thought you were supposed. I thought you could do a phone appointment too. I don't know if that they still do that nowadays. You done your parallel and your high knees?
I tried.
What can I say that to me? See, he almost there. Yeah.
How's your driving on the freeway? That's fine. I told your sister-in-law the same thing. Yeah. When you're on your permit, you go slow. It's all fine. Don't get permit. You got through downtown when you drive the way. You should try it.